Welcome to 360 Agro Solutions, your full cycle agro partner.
So today we are at Maslanda Rice, a rice mill located along Kefi Nasarawa Road. We are here to bring you the updates on the installation thus far.
So we move to the milling department, where we are going to be processing the premium uh, the premium rice. Yes, after being parboiled, this is the first point of call in the mill. This is the intake from the mill. Yes, the rice from the parboiling, after being transferred from parboiling to the milling department for processing. This is where we start processing from. So this is the first intake. The rice will come straight here. Remember, we have something like this at the parboiling. So this is the same elevator. We'll take it here. This is the milling pre-cleaning. It is called the classifier. So this classifier also has coarse purity and coarse impurity inside, embedded inside. So it takes out the impurity, which is the foreign matter, takes it out and take it. Purity is the main rice. Take the purity further for processing. So from the classifier, we move to the stoner. The stoner, what it does, as the name implies, the stoner. Look at it here. It removes the stones, all the stones from the paddy, all the stones from the parboiled paddies. Then this is the husker. This is the husker. Yeah, from the husker dehusks the rice, remove the shell of the rice. Then it takes it to the paddy separator. This is paddy separator. So from the paddy separator separates the brown rice and the husk. So the husk that might escape from here and gets to this place. So there's separator separate. So from here you no longer be calling it paddy, dry paddy. From here now you call it brown rice. It has become brown rice. So from brown rice we move to whitener. These are the whiteners. 3 whiteners here. Each is 3 tons per hour. Each of it. So we have 3 of it. So from whitener we remove the upper layer of the brown rice. Yes, the upper layer of the brown rice to make it look golden. So from here we go to the polisher. This is the polisher. Comprises of water and egg and the compressor air. That air helps it to cool it and polish the rice very well so that it will look glassy. So that the rice will look glassy. So this is the grader. Here, this grader, the work it does is remove the broken from the rice. So as you are processing the rice, some of them must have broken from the processes. So this remove the broken rice. From the grader, we move to the sorter. Yes. So this is the color sorter. This is a machine that is highly sensitive, comprises of air and cameras. Yes, that camera helps to remove the black spots and discolored. So from there it goes to there's another grader after it. So you can see in between the sorter and the packaging, there's another grader to remove the final broken. From the final broken, it goes to the tank here. From the tank here, then it goes to the packaging. It goes to the packaging machine. So the packaging machine, where it is being set at whatever packages you want, 10 kg, 25 kg and 50 kg, some even 5 kgs. So you set it at whichever one you desire to produce at that particular point in time. So you start producing it, you fix your bag, and then you start producing it. Yeah. So all of this is behind the mill, where you have the blowers and the cyclone. This is where we get all the air, because you cannot process rice without air. It uses air from the cyclone and the blowers. So these are the blowers. These are the air, the aspiration pipes that helps the machine to work efficiently. Yes. So from here, this is how they are positioned. You can see these are the cyclone, where all the brown powder, like I said, brown powder. Here we collect the brown powder. We collect brokens from here. We collect some of the unwanted produce from here. Yes, and all this brown powder are also economical. They are also money. They use it for bran oil, rice bran oil. So they use it also. They use bran powder for animal feed and all of that. These are the aspiration pipes. You can see these are the aspiration pipes and all of that. So this is where we get we suck the air. This is where they suck air from the machines from. So this is it. So as you continue with us on this journey, so in few days time we are going to commence production. So all of these things that I'm telling you, you are going to be seeing it live. I'm going to also start taking it one after the other, step by step, and be showing you. I'll bring it to you how the rice is being produced step by step by the time we start production. This is just to give you the updates on the installation thus far. Yes, so we are going to go on every machines to how it works, what it produces, and everything. How the usage of water, how we combine water and air in our production. By the time we start the production, we're going to tell you. And by the way, this rice mill here, the mill is 3 tons per hour, while the parboiling is going to be producing 64 metric tons of paddy on a daily basis. So they work together. This is integrated. They are all integrated together. So we have the boiler section, we have the parboiling section, we have the milling section. So from the milling section, you take it to, after it is done, after we completed production from the milling section, then it is now the rice is expected to be taken to the market. So just like I told you, stay with us and subscribe to this channel and keep following us, because we are going to be bringing everything concerning agribusiness in Nigeria. This is just the first phase. We are just talking about rice processing. We are still going to rice farming. We are going to bring you what rice farming is all about, how sesame business is viable, how viable it is, and also we are also going to ginger farming. We are also going into cashew farming and all of that. So we are going to be bringing you all of that, including animal farming. So we are going to be bringing you all of that on this channel. As we said, this is 360 Agro Solutions, your full cycle agro partner. Stay with us and keep watching. Thank you.